Then the other kind you also have is like an infrared lamp, and this is similar to the infrared lights, but as you can see, it's a big lamp that just lights on and turns on, and you can shine this directly at any spot for really, they say on this one the max is about 20 minutes or so. I usually end up only doing 5 to 10 on one spot, and you have to shine it, not touch the actual skin, and have it be a little bit away from it. So you have that kind of an infrared light as well. Infrared light therapy, maybe even infrared saunas. Have you heard about these? They can be really amazing, and there are a lot of different devices out there. Hello, this is Anna Laura Brown of AnnaLauraBrown.com. And in today's video, I would like to share with you briefly a little bit about infrared light therapy, some of the different options and kinds of machines that are out there, some of what I have used and what I continue to use, and hopefully you'll find that information helpful. And if you do, I also am going to be doing a bigger webinar on infrared saunas and infrared light therapy coming up towards the end of December, and we'll include the information on that with this video, or if you're watching after that, you can go back and watch a recording. And then last but not least, you have infrared light therapy like wraps. And this particular one is for the knee, so you just kind of wrap it around the knee and plug it in and turn it on. You can see it has the little infrared things in there, and so it's designed to provide targeted relief to a specific spot. Now, this particular one you can keep on for about an hour or two, typically without it causing any issues. Like I said, this is a knee one, but they do have back ones, shoulder ones, full-length blankets, all different kinds of them out there. So those are basically, in a nutshell, the 3 different kinds of infrared light that you have. So you have the wraps for a specific part of the body, you have the lights, and you have the lamp, and then of course there are infrared saunas, which I cover in a different video. So hopefully you found this information helpful. Like I said, check down the link below for either the live event or recorded event if that is something that you would like to learn more about. There you go, you can see it's turned on. It's really bright in the video, but anyhow, that's how it goes. And I basically use it for 10 minutes at a time, which is the max amount of time you're allowed to do with the special glasses. And then I just kind of shine it on the spot. So like for me, I do my neck a lot because of my thyroid issues, but you can shine it on other parts of your body too. Okay, so the first kind of infrared light tool that you can use is a machine like this, and this one plugs in and has lights. There's different ones of different sizes. I find that this one is pretty much the perfect size, and you do have to wear special glasses with it if you're really going to use it for very long. So I'm going to switch it on just to show you, but then I won't actually be using it right now. And I think I got it on. Let's see here. Gotta have it on the right. Oh, looks like it might not be plugged in. I'm gonna have to check that, but anyhow, you switch it on and then the lights all come on.